Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a speed clean. I'm outside B&M currently. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I love B&M. It's always full of bargains, really cheap things that you can get. So I'm going to get all my cleaning products from in there, and I will do hopefully what would be a satisfying speed clean with you guys. So I'll see you in there. Loads of lovely little gifts in here. The bath fizzies. So if you've got a Secret Santa, could definitely find some gifts in here. So I've just finished my shopping. I'm just in a car park loading the stuff up, and I'm really pleased. My shopping came to £69.67, and I got some furniture as well. I got some bathroom furniture. So £69, don't mind my nails, £69.67. So bargain. So I went to B&M and ended up with 2 bags of shopping and a bathroom under sink cabinet. I only went in there to go and get some cleaning goodies. So I'll empty these bags and show you what I bought. So what did I get? I got a super soft bed linen. It was £6.99. I got 2.5 litre bottle of Flash. Some Zaflora. I love the smell of this. I just got some cloths. These are, I think these are B&M's own brand plug-in air freshener. So I thought I'd just get this and see how it smells. It was really cheap. I got a scrub. This is to scrub the bath. Some more cloths, some facial wipes, some reviving bath salts, a pot scourer, some more cloths, some hand wash, one of these little sponge things for washing, some microfiber blind cleaners, mold and mildew for the bathroom. I got a ready-made sauce. Do you know what? I like these ones, but normally I try and cook from scratch, but I do like these. And then here's what I got: my under bathroom sink cabinet, which I've been looking for one of these for ages, so I might do a little video of me installing that. I am quite handy, I am quite a DIY person, so I'll do a little video of me installing this. So yeah. So now it's time to conquer my bedroom. So I've been away for lockdown, and I've come back, and I just want to get this room in order. I like to keep it really simple and really plain, but you can see I've got a few things piled on there. I've got beauty products on the stand. Normally I like to have that bare. The bed is looking a little bit dingy. And I've actually also purchased a headboard. This came, but it looked a lot more lighter in the picture on the website. So I'm not super happy with this, but I'm going to install it, and I've ordered a cover for the headboard as well in a lighter shade. So hopefully that will come along tomorrow. But right now I am just going to deep clean this room, scrub it really from head to toe and just freshen it up a little bit. I'm just not happy with how it's looking at all, so just gonna get it sorted. So I'm gonna get to it now. I have my scrubby clothes on, leggings, old jumper, and I'm gonna get cleaning this room and making this bed. So I think I inserted a clip of some condensation at the bottom of my window. So I quickly ran to Dunelm's and I got this. I think it's called Spiralflo. And what it is it sucks up all the moisture. So you don't have to collect it to any electricity, or you don't have to connect it to a battery, but it's got these like absorbable little packs inside. So I'm going to use this and see how it goes. Maybe it will help with the condensation. I'll put it by the window and hopefully it will soak up some of that excess moisture. So I'll let you know how this goes and I'll link it in the description bar below. So this is my bedroom before, and this is it after cleaning. I hope this video has provided you with some motivation and some inspiration. I really love watching these type of videos on YouTube because they always get me up and ready to go in terms of my cleaning, and they inspire me. So I hope it's done the same for you too. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found value or if you enjoyed what you saw today. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.